Hello kids! Today we're gonna learn a new lesson. Chaskit goes to school. So this video will tell you a story about a little girl of your age called Chaskit. She lives in Ladakh with her parents and her grandparents. Chaskit's dream. Today is a special day for Chaskit. It is so special that last night Chaskit could not even sleep. Do you know why? Chaskit is 10 years old, but she is going to school for the first time. She has been waiting for this day since very long time. Okay? Chaskit's school is not very far from her home. You have to take the big road, then walk along the lake, cross the river near the poplar trees, and then after a small climb, you reach the school. This is how all the children of Skidpur village reach the school. All the children, but it does not include Chaskit. At first, Chaskit did not know that she was different from other children. But slowly she found that she could not do that things that other children could do. It is because of her legs. Since birth, Chaskit could not use her legs. So, children, Chaskit is a lame girl. She is a lame girl. Her legs don't work like how it works for us. Okay, so she could not move around everywhere. So she couldn't do all the stuffs on her own. So if she want to go somewhere, no, she needs the help of her parents or the help of someone else to take her, guide her, to carry her and all. Okay. So all day, Chaskit used to sit near the window and draw pictures. She could not go to school like other children. So what she used to do is, she used to just sit near the window and watch others going to school. She used to sit and draw pictures and all. Her mother, she used to call her mother as Amali, said that Chaskit made the best drawings. This made Chaskit happy. But Chaskit was happier when one day her father, Abali, she used to call her father as Abali, got a chair which had wheels. Okay, this is called as a wheelchair. No, you would have seen children whose legs don't work. No, they will just lame people will use a wheelchair. So Chaskit's father have brought a wheelchair for Chaskit. Now what happens is, she quickly learned to sit in the chair and how to move it back and forth. Chaskit was so happy because now she did not need a father to carry her everywhere. When she wanted to go out, she used to tell her mother to put her in the wheelchair. Now she could come outside on her own and just move around for quite a small distance. Chaskit would see the other children every morning. They would be laughing and playing and on the way to school. She wished that she could also go with them like that. But unfortunately, since her legs don't work, no, she can't go like that. And also, I told you that she lived in Ladakh, no. So Ladakh, the place will be like a hilly region, no. So there will be mountains over here and there. So she has to climb. So using a wheelchair, she couldn't go on like that on her own. She needs somebody to help her to carry her and come, no, all this way. So I told you the way for Chaskit school also, no. She has to take a big road and then walk along the lake, then cross the river, then walk near the poplar tree, then there's a small climb in a mountain, and then only she reaches the school. So what Chaskit used to do means, she cannot go to school on her own. She needs somebody help. And imagine if parents could not go and drop her in such a long distance, then wait for her until the school gets over, then pick her back home, no. So it is very hard for the parents or for the family, so they didn't send her to school. So one day, Abdul, a boy from the village, came to her house with a letter. When he saw Chaskit, he asked her why she did not go to school. Chaskit told him sadly, I cannot walk. Apali cannot carry me all the way to school every day. I cannot even wheel my chair as the road to the school is not leveled. Also, how can I cross the river? Then Abdul asked, but would you want to go to school if you could? Chaskit was excited. She said, "Yes, of course, I want to go to school just like all of you. I want to study and I want to play like you." Her Memali, that is a grandfather, stopped her and said, "Chaskit, do not dream. You know that it is not possible." So everybody in Chaskit's family thought taking Chaskit to school is a very difficult thing and it is not possible at all. But Abdul was struck looking at her situation. He felt very pity for Chaskit. Abdul went back from Chaskit's house, but he had started thinking of how to get Chaskit to school. He explained about Chaskit to the headmaster and talked to the teachers till they agreed with his thoughts. So he kept on discussing with the teachers and the principal and all, no, to help Chaskit. Okay, so now everyone got together to work so that Chaskit's problem could be solved. So they discussed and came out with a nice idea. They made a plan so that Chaskit could bring a wheelchair by road to school. So for this, the uneven road has to be made level. One group of children started to level the road. Another group worked to level the area near the river. But there was still a problem. How would Chaskit cross the river? The older children and all took help from the teachers to make a small bridge which would cross the river. Everyone happily worked for justice because they are doing a very good deed, right? So everybody was very much happy in doing this work. So they want Chaskit to come to school. So they were happily working, even though it's a very difficult task to level all these things. No, they were happily doing such a thing because they thought that bringing Chaskit to school is a very good deed. Chaskit's Amali and Avali gave hot tea and biscuits to everyone who worked there. Chaskit's Memali had tears in his eyes, not because he was sad, but he was very much happy looking at the other children helping his own granddaughter to go to school. By the evening, the work was done. All the children were very much happy, but the happiest of all was Chaskit. Her dream was about to come true. And today it was that special day. Chaskit was all ready. She was eager to go to school and rock. See children, we are blessed to go to school every day. We are blessed of being we are born normal, we are so healthy and all, no? So we are blessed so much, and there are a lot of children like Chaskit who struggle to go to school. Okay, so feel blessed. And also this lesson also tells about teamwork and the helping tendency of other children. See, the whole school together they planned and worked and brought in a lame girl to school. So it's a very great thing, and also see, everybody worked together. They were not sad, they were not like they were happily working together for a good deed. And also they want to help out a person who cannot do that. They wanted to fulfill the dreams of other human beings too. They thought everybody is human, everybody have the right to get educated. So they brought in some good thing. They worked together and made a little change in Chaskit's life and helping her to fulfill her dreams. Okay, thank you children, thank you for listening. Bye bye.